I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the correct Swift Executor release for your system. This matters because mismatched versions fail to inject. Once downloaded, unzip to a dedicated folder and do not run Roblox yet. Make sure you disable overlays and quit background programs that hook graphics. These interfere with injection. Also, temporarily allow the file in your antivirus or use a virtual machine. This prevents false quarantines and keeps testing safe before you proceed to attaching the executor. Next, run Swift Executor with administrator rights so it can attach to the Roblox process. Attaching is the step that gives you script control. Once attached, open or paste your Lua script into the editor and run lightweight tests like print statements to confirm execution. This isolates issues. Make sure to configure injection options such as compatibility mode, auto-inject, and memory allocation. These settings determine stability and prevent crashes when you run more complex scripts later. Finally, run scripts in small steps and observe the executor console for errors. This shows why something failed and where to fix it. Use print statements and coroutine checks to trace logic and avoid unbounded loops that lock the client. Throttle heavy tasks with waits. If injection or execution fails, close Roblox, relaunch it and the executor as administrator, or move to a sandboxed VM. These actions usually resolve permission or compatibility problems when nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.